there were no hot sauce. I said, what? There's always hot sauce. You don't mess with the Commodore's hot sauce. The Commodore runs on hot sauce, I tell you what. Well, it happened last night, we were ready to jam. There was some bandits that snuck in real late last night. Chilli. Now I'm gonna go without my sauce. Gotta make it home by nightfall. Gotta make it back to Qtown. Qtown. Gotta make it back by nightfall. Gotta make it back to Qtown. Gotta make it back with some chili powder and some chilies. There's no point in living if you don't have the sauce. There's no point in living if you don't get lost every once in a while. Curse those men who took my stuff. Who comes to another person's boat like that? I tell you, who does that? Who does that? There's only one man who's got the guts. Very good spelling, so I'm gonna stop right there. Edwyndham, you son of a gun. You read my name and you rub it on the wall with your theft of my belongings. Like I said, I didn't learn to read, so. Edwyndham, can I hot sauce? The Commodore's so angry.